Hello, my name is Mark. In this segment we're going to cover how to safely remove scratches from automotive paint. Most scratches in automotive paint is done in the clear coat, not the actual color of the car. And this can be quickly and easily filled. They have a lot of products out on the market, such as a scratch remover, GS27, or a new finish scratch doctor. All of them work extremely well. What they're doing is basically we use the wax and polymers is filling in the scratch that was made in the clear coat, and that just evens it all out and makes the scratch appear gone and fills in the blanks left by the scratch. A scratch of this nature that's just in the clear coat can be easily repaired. If the scratch is deeper than just a kind of white, off-colored look, like it goes down and you just see a brown or a gray color, that means the paint has been scratched through the paint itself, and that's going to take a different type of repair. What you want to do is read the instructions thoroughly on whatever product you're using and follow those instructions in every detail. And sometimes you'll have to repeat the process. In this particular product, they ask that you shake it well and use a white damp cloth, or a white dry cloth. And what I recommend doing is they have you put a small amount in the cloth, and then using a swirling motion, you're just continually swirling and filling in that scratch with the polymers and wax until it disappears. Wipe off the excess product and you're done. Prior to using it on a highly visible surface, take a small scratch you might have down underneath the car and test the product out where it's not likely to be seen. If it starts pulling up paint or you see the color of your car coming up on the rag, it's a little bit too aggressive for what you want to use it for. And just make sure it's not going to mar the finish of your paint and discolor it in any way prior to using it in a highly visible area. That's how you remove scratches, fine scratches from automotive paint.